Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in Wells Fargo Credit Card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.wellsfargo.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Wells Fargo. Now all you need to do is simply tap on the credit cards option. So to log in your credit card section, you need to go to it and tap on the sign on button next. So once you tap on the sign on button, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is type in your username, and then once you're done typing in your username, you need to now type in your password of your account. So once you're done filling in both the credentials, simply hit the sign on button and you're all done getting logged into your Wells Fargo credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.